Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon members. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save life. Yes, preemptive strike save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives on this channel. We at the Jamaica Young Police channel hate criminals with a passion. Yes, we hate criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, subscriptions, your likes, or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpets awaits you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. If this is the first time here at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we highly recommend subscribing to stay updated with our latest content. Hit the subscription button above. Click the bell icon and select all to receive notifications whenever we at the Jamaica Young Police channel release a video. Remember that this channel is not a sympathetic channel for criminals. You must go elsewhere if you want a criminal sympathizer channel. Remember to give this video a thumbs up because you will find it helpful and informative. Please remember to share the video with your mama, your papa, mommy, daddy, and girlfriend, boyfriend, neighbor, side chick, side man, and your co-worker. Yes. Remember to share the video. And tell a friend to tell a friend about the Jamaica Young Police channel. That we at this channel, we hate criminals with a passion and we don't want them to go to prison. We have lots more of video that are not on YouTube. You can join the Patreon squad. By doing so, you'll be able to gain access to exclusive content that cannot be played on YouTube due to various restrictions. To unlock this on top collection of videos, click the link in the description box below. Join our Patreon community allows you to explore content that complies with laws, rules, regulations while avoiding disruption of our channel's functionalities. Moving on to today's video. Yeah, so we're continuing the journey with the Spragga Benz series in telling you about this artist and how him operate. Yes, and you know, Spragga Benz isn't your ordinary. Yeah, when we say ordinary, Spragga Benz is not your ordinary record artist. An actor. As we tell you before that in Shatters, that a Spragga Benz art, art imitating life. Yeah, because that's how Spragga Benz live him life out there. Just like how you see him behave and in a Shatters. That's what Spragga Benz is all about. So this is Shatters now is promoting murder, killing, and all of these things with black people in Jamaica. Nothing positive. And you know, black people, that's all them gravitate to. You know, it's not good for them, but them gravitate to the destructive behavior. You understand? So Spragga Benz is the only person Vybz Kartel has ever confronted and back off in fear. Even Andre Blackman, Bryan and the Klansman gang fear Spragga Benz. This is not hyperbole. This is recordings. Yeah, we tell you all the time, say your phone, the cell phone, this is just like how them have cartel with the killing lizard and all of these things. There are so many other things, but hey, PMP criminal organization destroy special branch and the labor right now reinstated. So you don't know, I know everything them get where them can go through and give them friend up by JDF if you look on where them for destroy Because them have people in a strategic places in Jamaica. And if you notice, whether or not you want to believe it, it's really the people them in the army. Yeah. Who never train in a law enforcement, you know. These are the people who are in charge of major organization in Jamaica. Mocha, somebody from the army. So you have to just watch all of these things, you understand? So nobody feel like say. So when you see things like this happening, the matter thing say it in a nutshell, you know. Just watch. When we say watch, you listen, and you will decide. You just watch. Whether or not you want to believe it, one day, we're going, Jamaica go have a dictator. We don't know who, and we're not going to predict it, because we don't want to send up the alarm bells as yet. It will happen, you know, and it must happen. It will happen. So according to intelligence agency, special branch recordings, Vybz Kartel, Blackman, Roderick, Nero, and the others genuinely fear Spragga Benz. Yeah, man, people them from the Klansman gang, them genuinely fear Spragga Benz. This is a recording, you know. This is not me, I tell you. You understand? These recordings reveal a reality that contrasts sharply with the public persona of Vybz Kartel, often seen as fearless and dominant figure in the dancehall scene. Spragga Benz, known for his musical prowess and formidable presence in the streets, command respect and instill fear amongst his peers. The intelligence gathered by the special branch provides compelling evidence of this dynamic. Vybz Kartel anxiety and apprehension about Spragga Benz are palpable in these recordings, showcasing a side of Vybz Kartel never seen by the public. So all of them time they say Vybz Kartel behave like him a bad man and this and that. There is a man out there when fear bad, and that man is Spragga Benz. The man fears Spragga Benz. Him and Blackman and the others them from the Klansman gang. Nero, Roderick and the likes. Yes. All because of what happened in a Port Royal. So understanding that this fear adds a new layer of complexity to the dancehall rivalry narrative. It's underscored these artists' intense and often dangerous world where respect and fear are intertwined. So a man feels so when a man fear them, I love them. Fear is not love. And that's how Dan and these killers operate in Jamaica. Them feel so when people fear them, I love them. And them don't even know, so the same people, them things they fear them, eat them like poison. And even Valentine them dead, the same people them rejoice and time them dead. Because they are seen as nuisance to these people, yeah man, in them life. And them glad when time them go to the departure lounge. And one of the main contributing reasons to Vybz Kartel fearing Spragga Benz, although I'm never diss him again, is the time when him soil himself. Yeah, we say him, yeah man, Vybz Kartel dude up himself. When I talk about no figuratively, we talk about facts. And some people are, we never hear it in our music. Where you don't understand. And that's why we have to educate the people them all the time, you know. Where you don't understand when they come on to how people operate, you know, you must understand, say, Spragga Benz, I don't want an idiot, you know. You understand? So the reason why Spragga Benz never make more or less, why I never do the music about it and things like that, you have to understand, you know. This man, I'm not an idiot, you know. Yes, Spragga Benz is not an idiot. So he knew that, you know, that this guy, because remember that, you know, detective, the whole music family close in it. And you know that the tension, it was palpable. And remember, you know, who Roach was Kartel's road manager at the time, had chosen side in the feud. So him thought that his power was significant, but the reality backstage was overwhelming. So if you don't believe me, you can ask Miller 9 or anyone who was around Vybz Kartel that night. Kartel face with the intimidating display of firepower reportedly lost control and siled himself, leaving the show without his underwear after begging for his life. You know, Miller 9 right now is in prison. Yeah, Miller 9 is in prison, in jail in California. I waited is day in court so them can try him for murder and burglary. You understand? Yeah. So you have to remember, you know, the reason why this man, you know, take this, you know, soft turn in regards to dealing with you know, Spragga Benz them deal with Vybz Kartel issues totally different. They did it because he know what he was doing, you know. And the man never want to draw no eat to himself. He never want to draw no eat to himself. So the man, he don't make no music about it. So that's what him do. Him just leave it at that. Some people, so why we never hear about it and them thing there? You have to ask them. Maybe it was so embarrassing for Vybz Kartel. That's why. I don't say because it's embarrassing, but because remember, you know, you just got to remember this, that Miller 9 was a police officer. You understand? So the reason why you don't have Spragga Benz, because remember, you know, Miller 9 say all of them in them face we have illegal gun that night, you know. Although some of them have a hat down in them face and him couldn't literally like steer upon them that much. So because of that now, remember I say Vybz Kartel I put on this tough guy image, you know. Vybz Kartel are the one where start all of the problem with himself and the man. So him now, so Vybz Kartel have to be careful of what he's doing that night. And what Spragga Benz did is just that more or less if he had mentioned anything about what happened, if he knew that Vybz Kartel had doed up himself, make it public, that would be maybe an eat him with a drop on himself, because then Vybz Kartel would have to talk how much gun did out there, and literally Vybz Kartel will be an informing upon Spragga Benz, whether or not you want to believe it. So that's why all of these things, that incident, them keep it on like hush hush. So no harm, no foul. Him never inform upon Spragga Benz about the gun them. Maybe if I did Ninja Man go straight to flying squad at CAB headquarters and report him, I tell you. So Kartel a gangster for life then, because him just take it and him not say nothing, and everybody around thing there. So more or less T-Pain told Spragga Benz, say the man sile up himself, say Kartel do up himself, and maybe him not even give credence to them thing they are really care, but him just want to show that strength. So you know the people them will support Vybz Kartel, them will say, oh I lie, that's a true, you don't like him, and after we don't like Spragga Benz either, we never say we depend this and we have put Spragga Benz on a pedestal. And because of Spragga Benz thing, you know, so Vybz Kartel get intertwined in it. So not like say boy, we like nobody. If you kill people, we know that, you know. You understand? Rehearsal, the things them are, because Spragga Benz and Baby Sean bring in the decadent behavior upon we look at pitting them in Jamaica. So I don't know what I talk say. So that's one of the reasons why I feel like them never come public with it, because then now when Miller 9 would have to tell the people them in the authority, the police force, what happened in night and them thing there. I remember say although my police, him operate like bad man too. So him couldn't, him no you know, him just take him this and just hold it. And him see Spragga Benz, him not even heal him just screw him face and him thing there. But I see him breath, him can't do Spragga Benz anything, because him himself a criminal although my police. Dangerous boy still do, you know. Yeah, cause him kill all none of us. Him use him police authority and use illegal gun and kill him and burn car and him thing there. You think him easy? So that's why I tell you sometimes my police are more dangerous. Hey, me I tell you this for a fact as a Jamaican. Anytime me there Jamaican and them thing there. If me don't know the police are in me afraid and them thing there. If me know a police, you know, you understand what I'm saying? So that's why me there Jamaican, me make certain me travel around with people when me know say when know the system see me and them thing, you know, you understand? Because them are police and some of them are criminal like Miller 9, where I tell you. So understand the fear as a new layer. You know, to the complexity of dancehall rivalry narrative. So boy the man drive a big fear in a Vybz Kartel and guess who? All Blackman, the clansman them gang. Normally them not afraid of people, you know, but this was a man where them afraid of, Spragga Benz. Because of the amount of firepower him have. Remember say the man them aside them rob some of them gun, the man them thing there. All heap of gun him have, you know. The man they can rise a militia. So right now you look upon the man, this is the man who save Cartel life, you know. And we're gonna tell about him name Cole. Fada Cole, let's want to tell you all him right name. Him big right between me and you know, Spragga Benz them that too, you know, and he's the one. And because of the same night with Roach and Spragga and Vybz Kartel. Because a Roach and a Roach link the brother there and a Fada Cole and Cole come out there. Just up in them slippers like girl and them and they are bad man, you know. With him girl and him have money too. Courtesy of Danai Williams. Because Danai Williams are the king out of East, you know. Yeah. You understand? Because everybody dead and gone. George Clash and Tony Brown dead. But you have Angela Brown Burke and Tony and Paul Burke, her husband. Them know nothing with Danai Williams because of Tony Brown and the war over flour mill. Yeah. I know flour mill, cement factory, the billion-dollar contract and Porsche and all of them things there. Yeah, so we'll continue the journey. So for the audience, this revelation is a stark reminder of high stakes behind the music scene and the persona they admire. So when people think say Vybz Kartel are this tough guy, not really that tough. Because when a man look down and us look upon death, any man ball will lose all them things there. You have some man still with a real soldier, you have to kill them, them not go do it up themselves. I tell you have some boy, I tell you how to saw them stay, but the one them where you know, chuck it on them thing and one dead, and them are the one who side up themselves. But you have some boy, all when them are dead, them not afraid. I tell you, because them are criminal. Feed them out that all, and guess what? The same time them dead, them always dead with them eye open. Because them no want for, although them claims that them brave, but them still no want for dead. But I tell you that. Yeah, so the recordings and special bands are a persuasive testament to Spragga Benz's influence and the real fear he instilled in even the most prominent figures like Vybz Kartel, Blackman, Bryan, Nero, Roderick from the Klansman gang. So they call us to look beyond the stage and lyrics, recognizing the profound impact these dynamics have on the lives of the artists involved. Spragga Benz was a figure who instilled fear in Vybz Kartel and among members of the notorious Klansman gang in Spanish Town, including individuals like Roderick and Nero. The level of intimidation Spragga Benz commanded is evident in the recordings, where you can hear Vybz Kartel recounted to these men, including the feared Blackman Bryan, how this Rasta boy humiliated him in a portrayal. So they say humiliate or him diss him, or Spragga Benz him diss him, and you understand. So the recording revealing an exciting twist. Blackman Bryan, whose real name, you know, Andre, and guess what? And was once, and was, we hear a woman in her background called the man God. Yeah, referred to as God by a woman. So a woman called Blackman Bryan God, underscoring a personal side often hidden behind this ruthless reputation. Did you know that Blackman Bryan used to sport a dreadlocks He was a Rasta man, you know. Andre Blackman Bryan was a Rasta man, you know. Bryan used to sport a dreadlocks before the infamous killing of Douglas Chambers. It was only after this murder that he cut his dreads, a significant transformation that marked a turning point in his criminal career. Spragga Ben's fearless stance and commanding presence in the streets of Jamaica made even the most hardened criminal weary of crossing him. His ability to challenge and intimidate figures like Vybz Kartel and members of the Klansman gang underscore the respect and fear he commands. For an audience, this story isn't just about the music, it's about understanding the real life stake and dangerous world these artists and gang members navigate. The recording from the Special Branch provide a rare glimpse into the dynamic power, fear and respect that govern the interaction of these influential figures. Vybz Kartel and the Klansman gang fear of Spragga Ben illustrate the deep and complex hierarchies within Jamaican dancehall and gang scenes. This revelation calls for a deeper appreciation of the personal risk and rivalry that shape these individuals' lives. It's a reminder that behind the music and public personas lie a world where survival often depends on respect and intimidation. Understanding these dynamics can help fans and broader community grasp the intense reality behind the lyrics and performance. It's emphasized the need for a culture prioritizing peace and respect over violence and intimidation. So let this serve as a call to action to support and uplift artists who use their influence for positive change, like man like Everton Blender. Yes, and there's other dread too. Hey, you have our next dread, you know. Yeah, him come from Spanish Town to with the Klansman gang them. Named Luton Fire. Enough people don't know say this man a one dangerous man too, you know. Yeah man, and we thanks to Virgin them from Special Branch, right? Unload all them thing upon what we tell you. Yes, Luton Fire. Only enough only things say Luton Fire are nice somebody. Just wait. You're going to hear about the dread that too. I tell you. I wonder if the police ever carry me in and question him about some things. Well, we never see all them and they as person of interest, but Special Branch have all them thing upon the Rasta man there. So, you understand? So understanding these dynamics can help fans and the broader community grasp the intense reality. Behind the lyrics and performance, it emphasizes the need for a culture prioritizing peace and respect over violence and intimidation. Let this serve as a call to action to support and uplift artists who use their influence for a positive change, fostering a safer and more constructive environment for all. One thing we know for sure, that that's how the man, Spragga Benz, nobody can deny anything that we have said here. If anyone from the Spragga Benz gang or Vybz Kartel crew who was there, just come on the channel and tell we say a lie we are tell. So this is our Special Branch have. So you afraid are you pan the recording and you are Blackman and Nero and Roderick, a whole owner attack, are unafraid of Spragga Benz? Are you literally? So all you claim say you're Uncle Demon and you afraid of Spragga Benz? And I baby of them thing there, but hey, look here. As we say, nothing beat love. If you love yourself, you'll love our next black man. And you're gonna love yours, you're gonna love everybody. But see, if you don't love yourself, you can't love others. As we tell you already, say Jamaica is a criminal's paradise in the Caribbean Sea. And you know, it's all go right back to the pirates and the buccaneers. As my mother said, yeah, the reason why Jamaican people love crime and murder and all of these things is because of the pirates and the buccaneers. Because these people, yes, the pirates and the buccaneers, these are the people who are the epitome of evil, and that's what them promotes right through them life while I was there. Murder us. Remember I said Port Royal was the wickedest place on earth. And most of us who possess, I don't have that genes. Those who have the pirates and buccaneer genes, Yeah, man, you're going to be violent, unconscionably, and thief and all kind of things. My mother said that. So when people say you're a pirate or a buccaneer, you know you're a criminal, you're a criminal. So until you hear bounty killer call being a man pirate, I treat my thief. Yeah, true. I tell you. So I saw it go, you know. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica, Young Police Channel out. I look here. As we have a whole heap more things to tell you about Spragga Benz. So when a guy come to so boy I you hate Vybz Kartel. When hey look here, we just tell you the truth about the man them. So Vybz Kartel want to be portrayed as this big tough guy when him a big baby. Now man, we have to make the world know. Just like what special and this is this channel and about entertainment, you know, we just educate the people them to make you know who is who and who is not. Yeah man, all the best. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out for real.